Are you preparing for the CSIR NET exam in life science? Yes, through proper planning it's easy to get through the examination. This is Gayatri, welcome you all to BIOSKUL. This video is about what are the 5C'S and 5C'S to crack CSIR NET exam. So guys, please be with me till the end of video. Everyone, how is your preparation going on? Today we will see what are the 5C'S and 5C'S to crack CSIR NET exam. Many people have will to win. Are you ready to prepare to win? Then stop wishing, start doing now. Let's see what are the 5C'S of success. The first C is confidence. Confidence in the sense that self-belief. Believe in yourself that you are capable of doing it. Second one is concentration. Train your brain to develop concentration power. If you have that power, then you will focus all your attention in your preparation. Third point is composure. Composure means calm and relaxed. If something upsetting happens with you, then try to be calm in that situation. If in the examination you get the questions that are tough for you and out of your box, then try to be calm. Okay. Then the fourth one is committed. Committed to your goal and don't settle down till you achieve it. And the fifth C is consistency. Consistency is the skill for success. Consistency means practice a thing for a regular period of time. Okay. Make your routine weekly and stick to that routine. Okay, and that will definitely one day help you in your success. The first one is confidence, concentration, composure, committed and consistency. Let's see what are the 5 keys to crack CSIR NET exam. Key number 1, get familiar with your exam pattern. In CSIR NET exam in life science, the questions are asked in 3 sections: Part A, Part B and Part C. Let's see how many questions are asked from each part and how many questions you have to attempt and how many marks they carries and their negative marks. From Part A, 20 questions are asked, out of which you have to attempt only 15 and each carries 2 marks. So the total marks from Part A is 30 and each wrong answer it carries 0.5 negative marks. In Part A, the questions are from aptitude part. Part B. Part B, you will get 50 questions, out of which you have to attempt 35 questions. Each carries 2 marks. So the total is 70 marks and one wrong answer, it will deduct 0.5. In Part B, all the questions are from your subject and the questions are direct. If you don't know the answer, then don't waste your much time. It's better to move to the next question. Then the next is Part C. In Part C, you will get 75 questions. Out of 75, only you have to attempt 25. You have more options to choose the questions according to your strength. And here, each question carries 4 marks. So the total marks is 100. Okay. But the thing is that one wrong answer, it will deduct 1 mark. So, while answering part C, just be careful because of the negative mark. And all the questions from your subject, and the questions are mostly analyzed based. You have to analyze the question. This part is mark scoring. Before answering the question, you should read the question at least twice and attempt the question from that part you are strong. Okay. And very important thing is that check the previous year cut-off marks to set your target. Okay, this is very important. Then the key to of success is follow SMART strategy. Okay, always follow the SMART strategies. What are the SMART strategies? You know, the CSIR net syllabus, it is the huge syllabus and it's really very hard to cover the syllabus from each corner. Okay, so it needs to prepare your own strategy. Okay, analyze the 5 years question paper. Questions are usually asked from certain topics and mark the topics according to their priority. Use the 3 different color highlighter and mark the part which are higher priority in green color and then in yellow color with the medium priority and red color with the low priority. Okay, so it will help you in your preparation. Key 3 of success. Learn by visualizing. That will help you increase your memory power. There are standard books for the preparation of each unit of CSIR net examination in life science. I have uploaded videos on important books for CSIR net examination. You will find the link in my description box, also the first comment of this video. Then note down important points and that note will help you in your revision. Make your note short and simple and try to make your note through flow chart and diagram. Okay, so that will help you in mapping the concept. The fourth point is understand the basic concept. Okay, if your basic concept is clear, then it will help you to solve any type of questions. Okay, the sixth point is try to visualize the concept through your imagination while learning. Don't try to mug up all the things. Okay, try to visualize the things in your imagination. Key 4. Give priority to high scoring units. Okay, so I have prepared the chart of high scoring units that may be vary from person to person. This is according to me. These are the high scoring units and you should give more priority to these units. The unit 4 is the cell communication and cell signaling. From that part you are going to get approximately 9 to 11 questions. Unit 5 is the developmental biology and from developmental biology you will get 10 to 12 questions. Similarly, from plant physiology, which is in the unit 6, you will get around 10 to 12 questions. Unit 8 is the genetics. From genetics, 8 to 11 questions are asked approximately every year. Unit 10 is the principle of ecology. You will get around 9 to 14 questions. From Unit 11, that is from the evolution part, approximately 8 to 10 questions you are going to get in the examination. Always try to refer the standard books and prepare your own note. Give more priority to high scoring units. Key 5 of success. This is very important. What is that? Is the revision and mock test. Learning is not only enough to crack the CSIR NET examination. The revision is the crucial part for preparation. So, start your revision at least 1 month before the examination and take mock tests simultaneously. That will help you to analyze your performance and focus on your weak points. The revision and the mock test, it will improve your analyzing and accuracy skills. And analyzing and accuracy are the important skills to be successful. I am sure that this video will definitely help you in your preparation. So please stay tuned with me for more such updates, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end.